Mm. Who you are? Sarah Brooks. Oh, Sarah Brooks. My mother is Sally is 93 years old. The 2nd of October. And she lives with me. She's a mother of 13 children, five living. I'm the oldest girl. She lives with me. Oh, she has 4 boys. Yeah, Nelson is one. Tom, Douglas, and Richard. What's there? What's 5? Oh, yeah, she has 25 grandchildren, I would say. And 10 great-grandchildren. None of them are No, they all live up north. Okay. How come they run up north? They working up north. Get more wages. Yeah. Some married and some single. Any beyond great-grandchildren? No great-grandchildren, no. Who's the oldest great-grandchild? The great-grandchild, Elwood Kendall is the oldest great-grandchild. He lives in Philadelphia. Yes, look at that. Her oldest grandson is 48 years old. John Ashton. John Ashton lives at Isaac. Laundry. This is still downstairs. Yeah, I think so. Young, hasn't long put him in the field. He would catch the tobacco worms, catch them off the tobacco. And I was afraid of him. Bigger than my finger, bigger. And I catch him. Now he head back for the little bit gun biting. The old seal. We used to have old seals, and if you don't catch it, if you find a worm behind you, I think you must found one. But you found one. If you catch another one behind you, I'm going to make you bite the head off. And I was afraid of the worm. Didn't have to bite the head off. And then I look all in the back of the field, in the wheat field. I didn't have machines like you have now, Had machines used to have about 8 horses to thresh wheat. And they'd be threshing about 3 weeks before they get through the crop. It's so much, old-fashioned way of making. And me and other girls used to take up these great tons of wheat, bone, put them on the table. The man who put it in the drum, he dragged over from us and put in scratch the wheat out, and he'd go down from the stool like this. Well, tell him, put the hook in the stool. Bang! Some things come to me. I will fan. Sit the stool like this and put on and come out just as nice. That is the fashion way of thrashing of wheat. Hitch horses to it, and sometimes the horses broke loose. You had to run and catch the old thing, Levers, they used to call them time. And we had to swing back, children, men and all, swing back, keep the thing from running over on the horses to break the leg. What was my occupation? Cook. Cook all the time. Cook by fireplace. Didn't have no stove, and had these for so many hands, you know, about 100 hands, and even had skillets. Had great old brick oven. This old brick oven, you know, you build fire in it, make it red hot, put your bread on pan. Do you know what these pans was? You used to get old bucket tops, old thing, and open them and put the bread on down, put them back in there while this thing was red hot, while this old brick oven was red hot. That way big and hot on the fireplace, very long fireplace, long until you had racks, you know, hang the pots up on. You had no stove. Put together old ham or meat and shoulder something in there, hold it out and then shove it back over the fire. Put it back over the fire and then get down, take that out and cut up for the 100 hands. And get this bread out the oven and let me feed them. Who used to work for? Hancock. Only about 100 servants more. Did you know these